State law makes using artificial intelligence to create pornography illegal, but this law will not apply to what just happened at Lancaster Country Day. Mallory Metzner joins us to explain. Mallory.
Alicia, Act 125 was signed into law at the end of October. The school says deepfake AI-generated photos were created of Lancaster Country Day School female students in November 2023 and May of this year. So the new law does not apply, but what does? I talked to a former federal judge and a lawmaker today.
Law enforcement said we cannot even go out and prosecute or even try unless the law changes.
Lawmakers updated a law to tackle deepfake artificial intelligence.
It looks so real, right? And some people can't even tell the difference.
Senate Bill 1213 became Act 125 on October 29th. Now, any person who intentionally views or knowingly possesses or controls any child sexual abuse material or artificially generated child sexual abuse material commits an offense.
It's either going to be a first-degree misdemeanor or a third, with penalties from anywhere from $2,500 to maybe $25,000.
And that includes jail time.
Maybe 1 year to 5 years in prison, depending on the situation and how many individuals and what law enforcement thinks they can prosecute.
Former federal judge John Jones says there really was no law that applied when a former student at Lancaster Country Day School created deepfake AI-generated pornographic photos of 50 female classmates.
Because it's not an actual photo, you can't really prosecute it under the child pornography statutes, and that's where the loophole occurred.
But Jones says mandatory reporting laws help parents in their case against the school. The school admits it never called the police.
If in fact it's found that the head of school, for example, was a mandatory reporter and he didn't, and then this conduct continued, well, that's clear negligence causing damages. The damages would be the embarrassment to the individual students.
Parents told ABC 27 that case is on pause. After a professional development day on Monday, the school sent an email to parents saying it is prioritizing identifying an acting head of school and new board president. The school says its goal is to support faculty and make sure students impacted by the situation have the support they need. While it's unclear how the former student who made the photos will be charged, the Susquehanna Regional Police Department does say there are statutes in the crimes codes that are applicable for cases such as Lancaster Country Day School. In studio, Mallory Metzner, ABC 27 News.